Hi everyone, thank you so much for subscribing to our channel and being a part of it. We just wanted to come on here and talk about a new feature that we are adding into our channel, and all the subscribers and all of you who follow us. We just wanted to get to know you more and actually build a deeper connection within our community. We've, surpassed 10,000 subscribers, and we would really love to get to know you, maybe help you out with anything that you're struggling with, whether it be physical health, mental health, anything in the space of yoga. And sometimes maybe just even to talk if you feel that you vibe with our channel and our team and you would like to get to know us or speak to us, we would love to do the same with you. So what we're doing is we're going to make available a Calendly link in the description. But of course, we want to make sure that people we're speaking to are not bots and also people who genuinely are interested in speaking to us as well. So what we will do is we will also leave our email in the description box below, and we would love for you to just write us a very short email. It doesn't have to be something super long, just giving us your intent, why you would like to speak to us. It could be just, to catch up. It could really just be anything, just a small introduction of who you are and how you'd like to get in touch with our team. And we will immediately send you our Calendly link to book a call with us, with me specifically, and to speak to me. We're doing these in 30-minute time slots. If you are already a Yogic Gurukul student, that is, if you already practice our sessions and you already are in my cohort of students, then this is something that will already be available to you. So you will already have the Calendly link and you can speak to me every month and I can guide you through it. But there's a lot of you who are not a part of our cohort but are just subscribers on our channel, and I felt I would love to just speak to you as well. So feel free to shoot me an email and we will send you the Calendly link. You can very easily book onto a slot. Slots, like I said, were 30 minutes, and that's it. You will then get a calendar invite with a Zoom link and a time to speak with us, and we cannot wait to make it happen. Now, of course, for us, everything is in Indian Standard Time because we're in India. It'll automatically show you the time conversion as to what time it is for you. If some of those timings do not work for you at all and you're, say, in the United States, United Kingdom, somewhere else with a big time difference, feel free to write to us, and if we can accommodate your time zone, we will do that and we will speak to you at a time that's convenient for all of us. So looking forward to speaking to you all. I think it makes it so much more real when you have conversations and we're able to interact with each other. So I just wanted to add in this feature so that we're not just I'm not just seeing 10K numbers. I would love to actually know who the people are, who you are, why you enjoy our videos, and really anything else that you want to talk to us about. So hop into the description and feel free to use the links that are there. I cannot wait to see you really soon. I also want to add that aside from the email address, you could also reach out to us on our WhatsApp communication number. This is our business number, so I use it along with the different members of the team. So one of us will reach out to you and help you out with deeper information on how we can take this forward. But please reach out to us, either email or WhatsApp, and we will get in touch with you. Other than that, leave any comments, suggestions that you have in the comments box, and I will see you super soon. Take care and speak to you in the next one.